Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. The parent one is the nerve.
The nerve. So guys,
Yes.
you see the thing. If you understand the thing, it's very very simple. The parent is the nerve. So all that you have to do is what come and call the nerve. Here you can decide to use a class or you can call the HTML element directly. So we are using the element. So nerve. Then please, who can tell me the next thing that we are going to do? What's the first thing? Hello.
So display,
Is that
display.
display what? Flex, right? Okay. So right now, let's see. So you can see that it is being displayed in what? Flex direction. But still, so you can see this one and this one, they are now on the x-axis. But this one is still moving in the what? In the y-axis. Okay. So the reason is here the parent component will say he has only two children. He has this child, and the whole of this one is also another hot child. Please, that's how it reads. Please, do I make myself clear? It will not count this one. Oh. This li tags are found inside the hot ul tag. So these li tags, they are the grandchildren. So the parent component or the parent has two children. That is the logo Dave and the whole of the what UL. So the parent component will count these li tags as the grandchildren. That's how it works. That's the main reason when you give it display flex, it moves this one here. It moves the whole of this one also here. Please, are you following? Okay. So what's the next thing that we are going to do? Let's deal with this. Let's deal with this ones. Let's remove this other what's the name? Bullet. Let's remove this bullet and the underline too. Let's remove all of them before we even deal with Flexbox. So right now I'm going back to pure CSS, which is not Flexbox. So how do you have to do what? You have to call the we can start with the what UL, the UL tag, and we will say the list star. The list star should be what? None. Let's go and see what we have. See, this is how you remove the what? The list. So you call the UL and give it a list star of what? None. Then the next one is what? The anchor tag. The anchor tag. So you have to call the what? Li, comma what? A. Then you give it that one is what? That one is what? Text decoration, right? The same none. Let's see if it works. So you can see they are all gone. They are all gone now. Okay. How do you want your nav bar to be like? So let's give our nav bar, let's give it a height of 200, the same 200 pixels that you were using. Let's give it a background. I have to move fast a bit because of the time. And the background color of what is this? What is this?
Okay.
Okay, I think our nav bar is the height is too much. Let's use 100. Is 100 okay?
Yes.
Is it okay, or you minimize it a bit? You should reduce the size.
It's okay.
It's
Okay.
okay. Guys, can you see that there are some paddings and margins around our page? See, can you all see the white space here on top and left and right?
Yes.
How do you remove that?
Yes.
How do we remove that? So whenever you are See, whenever you are building a website, this one is it is automatically created by your browser. It is automatically created by your browser. So how do you override this? Whenever you are creating a website, the first thing, always remember this, in your CSS, you can use body. So you call a body, then you give it a padding of 0, a margin of 0, then box sizing of border box. Let's come back. Have you seen? They are all gone.
Yes.
So guys, this is CSS. This is not Flexbox. So you guys should keep some of these things in your mind. These are some of the secret things that even this one is not secret. You should know this. If you don't know, we are learning and we have known it today. I think you can keep it anytime. And if the whole page has a background color, then you come here and give it a background color. So if we want to give our website a background color, we can do. You guys want us to give the whole website a background color, or should maintain the white?
Let's maintain the white.
Okay, let's maintain the white.
Okay.
All right. So right now we
Okay.
have our logo here and we have our navigation here. What we want to achieve at the end of the day is we want to move all the navigations to this direction, to the right side, and leave the logo around the side. That is the normal and the everyday navigation bars that we have been seeing on websites, right? So let's build something like that. Okay, so all that you have to do is come and, so since we are always talking to the parent, come and call this parent2 and give it what? A display of flex. And let's see if that one will work. Guys, you see that one too is working? Even I don't want to confuse you. Let me stop that right now. And let's deal with the main parent before coming to the grandchildren. So right now, guys, I want to move this all the way to this section. Who can assist me? I want to move this all the way to this and leave this here. Our time is moving on.
So since those ones are inside the nav tag, so you align content to the right or something.
Hey, so I want you to start using the properties that we have learned. Which of the property are you going to call?
So we use oh
Is it flex grow or
no, let's
Justify
go
content.
You use what? I'm listening.
Justify content.
Justify
content.
Good. We are going to use justify content. And which of the values are we going to use?
So flex end.
That be flex end will move all the children to the end.
Space between.
Space between.
So space between, right? That's great. That's great. Let's move on to the next one. So right now, I think we are not done, but this side is a bit okay. Let's go and change this one to display flex. Guys, are you following? And this side too, guys, how do you space out this? Which of the properties are you going to use?
Padding.
Hey, okay, we can use padding. Yes, we can use padding, or we can even.
We can equally still use the same space between.
Okay, so let's try and use justify content space between and no. Space between will work, but that will not be the best for this.
Okay.
So justify content. Let's use space between and see. It didn't even to work.
Wow.
Why?
Pardon.
Yes. Here, the reason why it's not working and it's not going to minus is because we are using this one is the they are the grandchildren of what? The parent. So if the parent is already using this justify property, forget. Don't come and use it here. It will not mind you. So use either padding or margin. Please remember, what's the difference between padding and margin? So which one is the best?
Padding is the space inside, and the
Inside.
margin is the space outside.
So which one are we going to use?
So we should use, since we want the space inside, we can use padding.
Are you sure it's space inside? Should I give each of the element box for you to see that we are not dealing with inside?
When you use
Okay.
them,
See, if you use padding, though it will work, but that's not the best. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Then let's use margin.
Yes. So let's use margin. So with a margin, let's use margin right. Margin right. Margin right of 5 pixels. Let's try 5 pixels and see. Did I save it? Oh, okay. So it will not work on the UL. Let's use on the LI rather.
LI.
Okay, so it's working now. It's working now. Are you okay with this?
Yes.
Hey, are you sure? Who better site I'm moving now? You say, are you sure so better?
Oh no, I thought you were asking whether we are okay, how far we have come. We can center it.
We can move it down, right?
Yes, to the middle.
Okay. So with that one too, let's come to the parent element. I think this one, did I teach you? Align
Not yet.
items. Align item. Did I teach you align items?
You mentioned it, but you didn't teach us.
Oh, sorry.
You used it. You used it, but you didn't teach.
Align items. Items. Let's use center. So this one automatically is going to position it at the center of this height that you have specified.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see what will happen. Have you seen?
Pepe.
When say you're building out bar.
Yes.
We are mumba kwakotoma there so. The mumba mpani and yes, you guys will continue. Guys, you can see the company logo. Though here we are using text, you can use picture, you can use the real logo here. But when I see, I say we want to bring it somewhere here. So which of the properties are we going to use? Please forget about Flexbox now. Flexbox, the episode here now, as you see, I am. So right now, pure CSS. Let's go. We want to move this one here.
you use the
Margin left.
Margin left. So you come and call the logo class. Say CSS now be. So the logo class, then give it what? Margin left. Yeah, man is saying. Let's
20 pages.
20 pages and see. 20 is how?
And if 20 cover.
20 and 40. 40 yeah.
Somehow.
And I never been count.
50 pages will be okay.
50 yeah. Okay, finally. Let's use 50. Okay. Guys, so on one year building. So you can see within this 10 minutes, we are almost done with what do you call it? Building a navigation bar. So here you can replace this with your company's logo. You can replace this with your company's logo. So you just come here, you use the image tag. Then you specify where your image is. Right now, I don't have image here. Let me see if I can go online and steal somebody's image. Okay, so my own company. That's fine. We are changing this website, so please don't talk. We are changing it. Copy image URL. Copy link address. If it will work in Kwandia. So let's come here. If you can do it direct. Let's see if it will work. Oh, it didn't work. It didn't work. It didn't work. Don't mind. So all that I'm trying to say is you can use image here because of time. Next time, or this will be an assignment for you, please. It will be an assignment. Go and replace this one with any company's logo. If you have a company, use your own logo there. So come and use your logo here. Let's come back to this one and concentrate on this. You can see that we can, so the size of this text are small. We can increase the size. We can change the colors. We can add hover and the rest. A bit nice. So how do you do that? So we come and target this. They are still here. So font size of 20 pixels on a best one.
Yeah.
Okay, is this one okay? And then to us, count.
Some 24 or 22 will do.
Okay, so let's use 25. Hey, where there's one?
Yeah, it's a page near empty page.
Okay, so we have home, about us, contact us. Hey, even see the contact us anyway. I say yeah, boom. Imagine you might be in count. So margin right. Let's use 9. Okay. Or let me change the capital U to small u. Okay, so we have home, about us, contact us. If you are not okay with the font size, okay, we have 10 minutes more. If you are not okay with the font family, as I taught you guys last time, you can go there and do what? And copy, go and select any font size that you want from Google Fonts. Google Fonts. Okay, so which of this? Maybe I want Open Sans. Yeah, this I think I normally use this. I normally use this font. Bold. I mean, you see, and I mean, sure, for the sake of time, you need time now. But you remind me why the time.
Time near 9 minutes 11 seconds.
Okay, so you can go and copy any font style that you want. You come down, select, come and copy the font family. Come here, and come and paste it here. So right now, let's go back and see what we have. Has it changed? And also answer. He
has changed, yes.
Okay. Maybe if you computer, okay, so right now we want to add hover. Yeah, the two colors in this. Even let's change all the colors to color to white and white.
It won't be visible.
Madam, please, which color should you use? Which one do you suggest? Black?
The first one is okay.
Black is better.
Let's use black. 000. Yes. Oh, nice. Last 10. Then we end the class. If you have question, prepare it. I want to leave some minutes for question. So we can also add hover. What is hover? So hover, what the tosha now I say a pepeja, a pepeja. So hover. So hover, let's use color red. Hey, Anna. Which color? Look at the color that this is my tomato. Guys, have we learned something today?
Yes. But I go back to the code. I don't know where you put the Hoover.
This is how it is. Even we can even add
Good.
border to the border bottom. Border bottom 2 pixels. My color again, tomato solid or any dash.
Solid is okay.
Solid is okay.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Cow.
Guys.
Yepa.
See, I share be in there now.
Yes.
So you guys should just master what we have learned today on one, and we can use these properties to build any website that you see. If you have questions, you can ask whilst we are waiting. We can.
I like this video.
Your line is not clear.
I said I like this recording we sent to the
Sure. I'll share it for you guys.
WhatsApp platform.
No, we have a YouTube channel, so we are going to share it on YouTube for you guys.
I just sending the link to the platform.
Yes. Guys, so what are we doing about our, what do you call it? Our Zoom. Do you maintain it like this?
We can arrange and have a premium account.
Yeah, the last time that's what I used, but this time my project will be my short.
The premium account is I think $14 or so per month, right?
Sure.
Okay. Myself, I'm already angry. So I'll link you up later, maybe before our next lesson, we will have bought premium account.
Okay, that's
option for the first month.
Guys, any more questions? More questions? Yes, I think I'll put the assignment there for you. Okay, so let me share the assignment for you right now.
hello, sir.
So if I ask you for a spoon feeding, will you do?
I don't spoon feed though.
Copy this code and put it on wrap it and put in the page for us. You know, a lot of people are unable to code along. You can just
That's why he said that use your laptop so that in case you have any challenges, you can share it.
You see, if you are using the laptop, you are the same person wanting to watch the video
code
on the laptop and using the same laptop to code.
Yeah, guys, you don't worry, I'll share it for you.
Thank you.
I've been minimizing my screen here, but Charlie, hey, nothing did top, I swear.
This is
So just use,
guys,
use the trick I gave you.
This is your
Set
assignment.
a second screen, that's all.
Is that? This is your assignment. Is that?
Where is it?
Assignment.
So you should create a web page that looks like this. Don't add these ones. So you should have. So this one shouldn't be icons. Or if you want to use icons, so you can say this is your navigation bar. This is your navigation bar. It has Gmail, images, something here and something there. So you can do whatever you want. Then you come and add a logo here. You can use the same Google logo. Then you just create. It shouldn't be beautiful like this, but I want to see the layout. That's what I want. The whole.
Okay, we should add the text area.
This one.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
If you have to add a text area, can we maybe bring some list under it?
You want to print something. You want to use list. Oh, see, guys, see, this assignment, I think is very, very simple and complex at the same time. If you're able to finish today, tomorrow, and you want to add any other thing you can do, feel free and do. But at the end of the day, I want you guys to do this for me, please.
Okay.
So this is your assignment.
Okay.
How many minutes do you have?
You have almost 1 minute.
So how was the class in general? How was the class?
Oh, very fantastic.
That's nice.
Highly interactive.
Guys, at the end of the
Take up good using big words too.
is that?
You are talking of big
Hello,
words.
sir.
Hey,
Yeah.
big words in there. We have big words now. It's very, very tantalizing.
Yeah, hello, I'm listening, guys.
But I have one major concern.
Okay.
A lot of people are not participating in the lesson. They are only watching the videos.
You see, that's why even I didn't want to record this section, so but because of you guys requested, I have to do it for you.
No, but it's important for revision.
Yeah, it's important for revision. But if you just go and watch video, let me even stop recording because all the time it's even up.
It's almost up. You can stop the recording. Still recording again. You have started recording again.